I'm going to show you guys today how to fix the pilling up of this candle to make it burn evenly. All you're going to need is your candle and then a little bit of tin foil. What we're going to do is actually just wrap these around the edges here, and you want it to go over the lip of the candle to the inside just to help radiate that heat and keep some of that heat in to make the candle burn evenly again. Just something like that where it's over the edge of the candle, just a little bit on the inside, and now we're going to light it. We're gonna leave this and let it burn, and this is gonna keep the heat of the candle in to help the wax melt evenly and make it lay flat again. So I wanted to show you guys that it actually did burn straight, so I'm just going to take this off and blow it out so you guys can see how it actually worked. It's all one level here now. It completely melted off that pilling, and it'll make it so once the wax hardens again, it's all gonna be flat, one layer, and easy to, you know, be ready to burn again. So a really cool life hack. And it is really as simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. And don't forget to subscribe to teach me how to clean. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video.